Hello students and my dear friends. Welcome to my channel Maths Hub by Dr. Tanya Bose. So today I will teach you another concept of Vedic mathematics, that is how to divide numbers by 9. So let us enact a scene where Tom is buried under a pile of maths books. His fur is messy and he's scratching his head. He is frustrated and tells Jerry, "Every time I divide by 9, I end up dividing by patience instead." So, Jerry appears from behind a calculator smirking. Jerry says, "Relax, Tom. I will show you the Vedic way quicker than you chase me." So, Jerry climbs onto the chalkboard and writes 2310 divided by 9. Tom's eyes go wide. Tom says, "No, no, what's now?" Jerry, grinning, teaches him the method. So Tom says, "Wow, let me understand this principle now." So let me teach you how do we divide by 9. So let us take this example that Jerry has written on the board 2310 divided by 9. So how to divide these numbers? Let us see. So what we do is, let us write 2310 and let us write it in this way. We will write 9 over here, right? Now first bring the first number as it is. So it is 2, so bring it as it is. Now when you divide, now what will you do? You just add the next number. So 2 plus 3 is 5, right? Similarly, go on adding the next number. 5 plus 1 is 6. Go on adding the next number. 6 plus 0 is 6. After you receive the digits, just place a decimal before the last number. So your answer becomes 256.6. Right? So the answer becomes 256.6. So you might be thinking, wow, it is such an easy process. You are simply adding the numbers instead of dividing it, right? So Jerry takes a standing ovation, but every time the numbers that you receive will not be so easy, right? So let us take the next example. So let us take 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 9. So let me write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and let me write 9 over here, right? So according to the process, what we are supposed to do, we will bring the first number, that is 1, as it is, and we'll start adding the next consecutive places. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus next number, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now, you are safe till you receive the digits here less than 9. The moment you receive the digits greater than 9, then trouble starts, right? So how do you need to tackle those things? Since whenever we are dividing any number with 9, your remainder must lie between 0 and 8. We know all this, right? So it should lie between 0 and 8. So if your remainder that is received is greater than or equal to 9, then what is the process? Whatever number you are receiving, you just divide that number with 9. So you will get the quotient as 1 and remainder as 1. So what you will do? You will simply add the quotient in the previous number and leave the remainder as it is. So the first number was 1, the next number was 3. You will add this quotient 1 to the previous number, that is 6, it will become 7, and this place 1 will be left. And you place a decimal in front of it, in front of the last digit. So your answer should be 137.1. Right? So I'm again repeating this last concept. Whenever you add the numbers, numbers and the numbers are less than 9, then you are safe. You don't have to do anything. But if the numbers obtained are greater than 9, then you are in trouble. In that case, whichever number is exceeding 9, you just divide by 9, get the quotient, get the remainder, add the quotient in the previous place and leave the remainder there. Right? So, your answer to this problem would be 137.1. I hope the method is clear. So let's take another example. So we take the next example as 32 by 9. So 32 divided by 9. This is pretty easy. We take the first place as it is 3. We add 2 to it, 3, 5. And we place a decimal in front of it. So the answer becomes 3.5. Right? Okay. Let's take another example. 748 divided by 9. So let's see this, how to do it. 748 divided by. So we will bring the first place as it is 7. Now add the next place. 7 plus 4 becomes 11. So now this number is exceeding 9. So we divide this number by 9. We get the quotient as 1 and remainder as 2. So what you need to do? Add this quotient to the previous place. So now the number will be revised to 8. And what is left here? 2 is left here. Right? Now, after 2, you add the next place. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Again, this place is exceeding 9. This place is exceeding 9. So you divide 10 by 9. So quotient is 1, remainder is 1. Add the quotient to the previous place. So the previous place was 2. So now the revised numbers 8 will remain as it is. Quotient is added to the place of 2. So it will become 3. And the last place 1 is received. So we will place a decimal in front of it. So it will become 83.1. Right? So I hope you understood the method. Okay. So you can try these exercises. 245 divided by 9. The answers are given. You can try 6545352 divided by 9. Then you can try 221013 divided by 9. And the most challenging exercise in this is 9199 divided by 9. So I'll help you to solve it. 9199 divided by 9. How to do this problem? We bring the first place 9 as it is. But you can see that at the first place only, this number is exceeding 9. So we divide it by 9, we get quotient 1, remainder 0. Now we add this quotient in the previous place. So you can see there is nothing in the previous place, so the previous place is 0. So 0 plus 1 will become 1. And in the first place, 0 is left, the remainder. So we add 0 and 1, we get 1. Then we add 1 and 9, we get 10. So again, this place is becoming a problem for me. This is exceeding 9. So we divide by 9, we get the quotient 1, we get the remainder 1. Add this quotient to the previous place. So your revised numbers are 1, 0. This will become 2 now. 1 is left here. Now we go to the next number. 1 plus 9 becomes 10. Again, this place is creating a problem for me. So I will divide 10 by 9 again, right? So I get quotient 1, remainder 1. Add the quotient to the previous place. So your revised numbers are 1, 0, 2. 1 plus 1 will become 2. Remainder left is 1. Place a decimal in front of the last number. So when you place the decimal in place of the first number, so your answer becomes 1022 point, right? So Jerry says at the end, so no long division torture now. So you don't have to do anything by long division method when you are dividing by 9. So Jerry bows dramatically while Tom claps. So he's very excited that I've learned another method of Vedic mathematics. If you have any doubt, please drop in the comment section. I'll do reply. And I hope you understood the video. So if you like the video, do hit the like button. And to get the latest updated video, please subscribe my channel Maths Hub. Thank you so much for patiently listening and believe in yourself. You can definitely achieve it. Thank you.